Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to dive into the world of martial arts or enhance your skills in Muay Thai, Wing Chun, or Taekwondo, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore some of the best apps available for Android that can help you learn and train in these exciting martial arts from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your techniques, these apps offer a variety of resources to support your journey. Let's get started. Muay Thai Fitness. Muay Thai Fitness is an excellent app for anyone looking to learn the art of Muay Thai, whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. The app features a variety of training programs that focus on different aspects of the sport, including striking techniques, conditioning, and flexibility. Users can access instructional videos that demonstrate techniques such as punches, kicks, elbows, and knees, making it easy to follow along and practice at home. Additionally, the app includes workout plans that can be tailored to individual fitness levels and goals, ensuring that users can progress at their own pace. With user-friendly navigation and engaging content, Muay Thai Fitness is a great resource for anyone wanting to immerse themselves in this striking martial art. Wing Chun Trainer. Wing Chun Trainer is specifically designed for practitioners of Wing Chun, a traditional Chinese martial art known for its focus on close-range combat and efficient techniques. The app provides detailed instructional videos and tutorials that teach various Wing Chun techniques, including stances, punches, kicks, and forms. Users can learn at their own pace, with sections dedicated to beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. The app also features interactive training tools to help users refine their skills and enhance their understanding of the art. Additionally, Wing Chun Trainer often includes sparring exercises and drills that users can practice either solo or with a partner, making it an ideal choice for those looking to master this unique martial art. Mastering Taekwondo at Home. Mastering Taekwondo at Home is a comprehensive app designed to guide users through learning Taekwondo techniques and forms from the comfort of their own homes. This app offers a wide range of instructional videos, covering fundamental techniques such as kicks, blocks, and stances, as well as complex forms. Users can progress through structured lessons that focus on different aspects of Taekwondo training, including sparring, self-defense, and physical conditioning. The app is perfect for beginners looking to start their Taekwondo journey, as well as for experienced practitioners seeking to refine their skills. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best martial arts learning apps inspires you to take the next step in your training journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and recommendations on fitness and martial arts. Which app are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.